choy.
All right.
Tender green. Old fashioned. Top choy. Right there, the whole row.
Okay. And all those tomato plants are the ones Daddy started.
Yep.
And I've got some of them right here. Over here.
This is
Mustard.
radish,
Okay.
spinach,
Mm-hmm.
spinach. New carrots. I'm gonna reseed some more carrots. Pak choy, cabbage, tomatoes.
Sorry. Oh, I like these buckets.
Hmm?
This is new, huh?
Yeah, these are grow buckets. These are artichoke plants, and they're perennial. So
Is that to keep the deer off?
yeah,
And your
These are
hoops?
gonna be- these are going to be beans.
The arches to keep to put the netting out, but to keep the
Yeah.
deer out.
See, I've been doing different designs. That's the pea design.
Okay.
That was my first design.
And all the pepper plants and the lettuce.
And then see, you got onions growing in between the broccoli
Mm-hmm.
because it keeps the cabbage loafers away supposedly, although there is a moth to it.
What's that over there? By
What?
the tree?
By the tree?
Over there. I know it's not the garden, but what is that?
Oh, that's what's there.
And grapevines.
So you planted?
It used to be the garden actually came all the way down to here. And there used to be another garden that was right here. Now, this is 50 years in the making. This tree that you see right here, this pine tree, this pine tree that you see right here, I planted when I was 10 years old for the bicentennial. And I see, I don't know what this, 259. I don't know what that is. But the question is, who's got a bigger trunk? Me or the tree? Yeah, the bicentennial tree, 50 years ago. Wow. Wow. That's a straight trunk right there. I'm in awe. I haven't been out here with this tree in a long time. You know, when you get lumber these days, they don't get trees this big anymore. They have fast grow, like 6-8 inches wide. This sucker right here, that is easily 30 inches across. Wow.